free products just for testing them and sharing your opinion sounds great. Sounds a little too easy. I dug into how these platforms actually work step by step, using one called Try and Review as the case study, plus a few others worth knowing. And this is going to be the honest picture about those. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not like huge amounts of money. But yeah, let's go and see them. Step 1, signing up. And the first honest thing to flag, check your country first. Try and Review says it's for the largest reviewer community in Asia. But it's actually available well beyond that. Confusingly, different parts of their own sites say 17 countries. Others say 20. You even have, like, when you just Google for it, you've got like India, Philippines, Australia. It's all like, some are saying 30. Nobody's lying to you. It's just genuinely inconsistent information. Just check the flag icon in the corner for the real current list before you invest any time. One small annoyance before you even start, you'll get a pop-up ad asking you to activate your account, and it's going to be through 3 easy steps. It looks like part of the sign-up process. It's not. It's just an ad, right? Just ignore it and use the actual join button. Now, the sign-up itself is free. You fill out your profile honestly and completely, because that profile is what gets you matched to products later. Now, step 2, once you're in, there are 2 separate sections. There are tests and general reviews. Now, tests are the actual free product opportunities. You apply, and if selected, they ship you something to try. Reviews are different. You can review products you already own or have used, whether or not you got them through the platform. But here's the honest catch. The test section is often just empty for a given country with no real explanation. Availability depends heavily on where you live, and it generally varies week to week. Don't switch your country setting to see more options either. They ship locally, so a test only available in another country isn't something you can actually get. So VPNs, well, here is a no-go. Don't use VPN. Apply to everything that looks even remotely interesting. There's no penalty for applying to several at once, and your odds go up the more you're in the running for it. Now, step 3, and it's an honest one, getting an application in doesn't mean you're getting the product. A lot of people ask, like, why didn't I get picked? Well, you go through a short qualification survey and then you wait. And here's the part that catches people off guard. If you're not selected, most of these platforms simply never tell you. No rejection email. If you haven't heard anything after about a week, just assume you didn't get it and move on. Now, I get it. It is frustrating, but it's standard across this whole category, not unique to one platform. Don't keep checking your email for a no that's never coming. All right? Just apply, forget about it, and move to the next one. Now, step 4, and this is the part most people skip. Just applying isn't enough. You have to be active. And here's what actually moves the needle. Just write real reviews of products you've genuinely used, even ones you didn't get through the platform. Now, the stated bar is low, as few as 3 reviews a year, if I'm not mistaken, but doing few a month noticeably helps your odds. Add photos or videos to those reviews when you can. Complete any surveys they send you. Link a social media account to your profile. All of it signals you're a real engaged reviewer, not a dormant account just fishing for free stuff. And that's exactly who gets picked for the next round. Now, honestly, this is genuinely work. It's not a lottery ticket. If you want, like, the free products, you put in a bit of consistent activity first, and that's the honest straight. Now, step 5, and it's an important trust check. What about shipping costs? Now, some good news here. If you're selected, the product and delivery are genuinely free. That's stated clearly, and it matters. Plenty of shady free product sites make their real money by overcharging you on shipping. This isn't one of those. Even though it has like a low rating here. I don't know why they have this on Google Play. Now, One exception worth knowing here is some platforms occasionally run buy and refund campaigns. You pay for the product up front, you test it, and then get reimbursed after. That's a real model used across this space, not just here. It's optional, and it's your call whether you're comfortable fronting the cost while you wait on the refund. Now, the honest overall picture on a platform like this specifically, it works, all right, but it is limited. Testing availability is genuinely inconsistent by country, and even when tests exist, competition for them is real. This is a nice occasional bonus, not a reliable stream of free stuff. Just go in with that expectation and you won't be disappointed. So don't rely on just one platform. I will give you here a few other legitimate ones worth adding to your rotation. Now, Influenster is the big name here. It's themed boxes of full-size beauty, food, and household products matched to your profile. It leans social. An active, linked profile genuinely improves what you get offered. Now, there's BzzAgent as well. It works similarly, but leans into word of mouth. You get products to keep in exchange for sharing honest opinions with your own circle, not a formal written review. Home Tester Club is less about social clout and more about everyday household and food products. If you don't want to post on Instagram and just want to try normal stuff around the house, this one fits better than the social-driven platforms. And if you want actual cash instead of products, UserTesting is a different category worth knowing. You review websites and apps instead of physical products. You get paid $10 to $20 per test, and tests take about 15 minutes. Real money, it's fast, though it's testing software, not skincare, for example. Just stack 2 or 3 of these, keep your profiles active on each, and the trickle from each one adds up to something worth having. Also, just Google for these companies. There are a lot of these. Actually, if you find something useful, just write me down in the comments as well. I want to know about them. Now, one honest, important warning before you sign up anywhere. Legitimate product testing platforms never charge you to join and never ask for your credit card details to activate your account. If a site does either, that's your sign to leave immediately. Scammers specifically target new product testers with fake free product offers because the appeal is obvious and the guard is often down. Stick to platforms with a real track record and treat any payment request as an automatic red flag, no exceptions. And I'm going to be straight with you like always. This is real. People genuinely do get free products this way, but it takes real ongoing activity to boost your odds. Availability is inconsistent, and you will apply to plenty of things you never hear back on. Treat it as a fun bonus stacked on top of other things, not your plan for free stuff or income. Just sign up, fill out your profile properly, write a few honest reviews a month, and apply to whatever looks interesting, all right? When something comes through, it's a genuine nice surprise. Just don't count on it. So yeah, no free money. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and there isn't a course for something like this, just availability and a bit of luck. So that was real stuff, and all you gotta do if this is something that interests you is to sign up, stay active, apply broadly. You don't have nothing to lose except time, and just stack a few platforms. Don't stick with one, but pick one platform today, fill out your profile properly, and apply to your first test. And that's the whole process. And yeah, just go see what shows up. As I've told you, write me down in the comments if you found something useful. And yeah, wish you good luck. And I'll catch you in the next one.